In this video, I'm going to teach you how to export your board data from monday.com with just a few clicks. This is perfect if you want to back up your data or analyze it offline. Let's get started. First, open monday.com and sign into your account. Navigate to the board that contains the data you want to export. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner of the board to reveal the menu options. Then, click on More Actions to see additional features available for that board. After that, choose Export Board to Excel from the drop-down. This allows you to download your data in a spreadsheet format. Finally, if you want to include updates and send a copy to your email, simply check the boxes provided. Then click Export and your file will begin downloading. Bonus tip: you can also automate exports using integrations or third-party tools like Zapier if you need recurring reports sent to your team. And that's how you export your data from monday.com quickly and easily. If this helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tutorials. See you next time!